So, after all the shenanigans with the neighbor in the last video,
He's gonna make it look stupid.
we're back. But this time with a dingo, because we're just gonna dig more post holes and close in the whole yard. And to be honest, after the headache we were given, this part was satisfying.
On the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition or a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. These people won't get it. Making designer rich. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. I don't see competition. I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. In the basement with my daughter on my lap, writing raps, trying to figure how to come up with a stack. But I know I just need to strap these twos up on my back. That slow though, I'ma make a milli doing that. But I just gotta stick to the flow and get my own. Every since a youngin', me and baby on our own. Turn 19, we was in our own, that's on. Learn from the best, so jump up on it, but blowing, dipping through the traffic on my way to see my mama. Gotta make sure I ain't lacking, cause these niggas thirsty, try to rob you for your taxes until you open flame and leave them there in traffic. This tragic, but I'm on the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition or a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. These people won't get it. Making designer rich. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. I don't see competition. I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. All day long I'm hustling, trying to feed my family. Without them I ain't nothing. But watch all fam, cause some you can't trust some. Man, I got some stories that'll make you start cussing. But really, I'm just trying to make a milli though. I dropped out of college, but got the same job I was schooling for. Man, that is crazy, need my refund, yeah, my moolah. I just need my bread back to put it in the studio. Not really, I go and buy more houses. I'm out here working while y'all sitting on your couches. I wanna be rich, 100 acres in the mountains, and the ghost statue of me flexing in the fountain, and I'm gone. But I'm on a mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition or a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. These people won't get it, making designer rich. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. I don't see competition, I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it.
Say peace out.
Peace out.
Let's roll.
Let's
roll the wine.
roll.
Peace.
Peace.
All right, so we back on the fence. Got the back done back there. We still got to put up a post in the ground and then throw those up there. So what I'm about to do right now, shush. About to slice up these 2x4s, nail up these 2x4s, and put them on all these posts so we can have so we can have something to nail to. Let's hurry up. See, it done got rainy out here. We had to stop doing this to go do a repair at the rental, but back to it.
You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way. I'll just make my own while y'all trying to follow ways. Bet it make her scream when them dreams ain't far away. Think she in a dream and you can see it on her face. Seen that money stream, now baby, that's my type of way. Going after goals, I ain't got no time to waste. City getting sticky, but I still keep the pace. It's trying to beat me when I never called the race. Thought it was real love, turned out the shit was fake. Can't fuck up my motion. Cruise, now we coasting. Make my own wave like a boat that's in the ocean. Get took by the tide, but you gotta stay focused.
Mud Gang affiliated.